JCB is one of the world's largest privately owned manufacturers of construction, agricultural, and defense equipment, manufacturing over 300 products, including machines for the U.S. military. JCB is currently building our second manufacturing facility in San Antonio, Texas. An all-steel body, zero tail swing, and 500-hour greasing intervals make the JCB 85Z your go-to mini excavator. A spacious, comfortable cab increases productivity, and its high visibility makes safety a priority. The engine is easily accessible from ground level, and the reliable 64-horsepower engine with an auto-idle feature leads to a low cost of ownership with no need for DPF. JCB offers live-link telematics, ensuring increased uptime. Shop online or visit one of our over 300 dealer locations across North America.